Transcription on Make in India. Since years, policymakers have been debating how to give an impetus to manufacturing in India and make India a global manufacturing hub. But it is Narendra Modi who, within a matter of months, launched the Make in India campaign to facilitate investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property, and build best in class manufacturing infrastructure. The Make in India initiative is based on four pillars which have been identified to give boost to entrepreneurship in India, not only in manufacturing but also other sectors. Make in India campaign was launched by the Prime Minister on 25th September 2014. It is an initiative by the Government of India to create and encourage companies to develop, manufacture and assemble products made in India. It is an initiative to make a call to the top business investors all across the world for investment in India. It is a big opportunity for all the investors to set up their business in any field anywhere in the country. This attractive plan has resourceful proposals for foreign companies to set up manufacturing units in India. Make in India campaign launched by the Indian government focuses on building effective physical infrastructure. It also meant for improving the market of digital network in the country to create a global hub for business. Availability of modern and facilitating infrastructure is a very important requirement for the growth of industry. Government intends to develop industrial corridors and smart cities to provide infrastructure based on state-of-the-art technology with modern high-speed communication and integrated logistic arrangements. The requirement of skills for industry are to be identified and accordingly development of workforce to be taken up. In line with the Make in India, individual states too launched their own local initiatives such as Make in Odisha, Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet, Vibrant Gujarat, Happening Haryana and Magnetic Maharashtra. India has jumped to 63rd place out of 190 countries in the World Bank's 2019 Ease of Doing Business Index from 130th in 2016. The symbol of this initiative is a giant lion having many wheels. This indicates peaceful progress and way to the vibrant future of the country. A giant walking lion with many wheels represents courage, strength, tenacity, and wisdom. This national program was designed to transform the country into a global business hub because it contains attractive proposals for local and foreign companies. The campaign focuses on creating a number of valuable and honored jobs. It is also providing skill enhancement in almost every sector for improving the status of youths of the country. The successful implementation of this plan will definitely fulfill the major objectives. It will provide the benefits to both parties, that is, the investors and our country. Make in India will also help the companies for creating their brand values in the global market. It will definitely help for the growth of Indian GDP as well as to increase the value of Indian currency. The government of India is making a huge effort in order to reduce any type of burden on investors. Due to this, there is an arrangement of a dedicated web portal for solving all the queries from business entities. Government has created a dedicated back-end support team so that response can be given within 72 hours of duration. Almost 25 key sectors like aviation, chemicals, IT, textiles, ports, hospitality, tourism, wellness, and railways have been identified by the government to work for the investors and become a world leader. FDI has been opened up in defense, production, construction, and railway infrastructure in a big way. To make India free of underemployment, unemployment by bringing development and growth, this policy is the urgent need. We can downsize poverty in India to a great level by solving the unemployment issue for youths. Thus, the country economy will achieve a new height after the success of this campaign. This, in turn, may solve various social issues in the country. Today, India's credibility is stronger than ever. There is visible momentum, energy, and optimism. Make in India is opening investment doors. Multiple enterprises are adopting its mantra. The world's largest democracy is well on its way to becoming the world's most powerful economy. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, during his Mann Ki Baat broadcast in August 2020, expressed a desire to establish India as a global toy manufacturing hub and to strengthen domestic designing and manufacturing capabilities. The policy aims at encouraging domestic manufacturers' participation in public procurement activities over entities merely importing to trade or assemble items. The policy is applicable to all ministries or departments or attached or subordinate offices or autonomous body controlled by the Government of India and includes government companies as defined in the Companies Act. The Make in India initiative has been striving to ensure that the business ecosystem in the nation is conducive for investors doing business in India and contributing to growth and development of the nation. This has been done through a range of reforms that has led to increased investment inflows as well as economic growth. With this initiative at the forefront, the businesses in India are aiming that the products that are made in India are also made for the world, adhering to global standards of quality. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant cleanliness campaign by the Government of India. Shri Narendra Modi led a cleanliness pledge at India Gate, which about 30 lakh government employees across the country joined. He also flagged off a walkathon at Rajpath and surprised people by joining in not just for a token few steps but marching with the participants for a long way. While leading the mass movement for cleanliness, the Prime Minister exhorted people to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's dream of a clean and hygienic India. Shri Narendra Modi himself initiated the cleanliness drive at Mandir Marg police station. Picking up the broom to clean the dirt making Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a mass movement across the nation, the Prime Minister said people should neither litter nor let others litter.